Hi, do you want to know the secret formula to become successful? Watch this video till the end. Hi, today's topic is excellence is a choice. Do you believe anybody can have a six pack or can be fit, physically fit by going to a gym? Yes or no? Yeah. Then why many people are not fit? Because they give an excuse. No time, I'm busy, my working hours is very odd, so I cannot plan it out accordingly. Or I tried, no gym nearby, I'm okay, I'm not that fat. Lot of excuses. Correct? Similarly, do you believe anybody can become rich or successful? Answer is yes, but the same reasons. Okay, I'm busy, I'm already engaged, I've got a lot of work to do, and I don't have time for anything extra. Lot of excuses. People are not willing to go to the extra mile. In fact, the last few days, I happened to get some calls. The first call which I got from a person was finished his MCA and was working for a bank. And he called me and said, "Sir, I want to learn how to sell insurance. Because here, I've been assigned to sell insurance, a minimum of at least 10 insurance policies every single month." And I was casually asking him, if you don't mind, what's your salary? And he said, that he earns 20,000 rupees per month. I was shocked. I asked him, do you know the commission what you get by selling an insurance? He said, I don't know, because for us it's a target. Then I said, because I train many people on insurance, so I said there's a minimum of 35 to 25% of commission. Just imagine if you can sell an insurance policy to a one person of 1 lakh policy. You're selling a 1 lakh policy to a person. You earn a commission of 35,000 rupees. So if you can sell the same target as what the bank is saying, if you can do that, you earn 3.5 lakhs. You know what he responded? Sir, but if for that I need to step out of my bank and I need to be an insurance agent. But here I'm safe and every month I get minimum of 20,000 rupees. And second thing is, in the society I have a status, I have a name, and I'm planning to get married also. And he said, nobody will give me a girl if I'm just an insurance agent. But moment I say I'm working in a bank, I can get many offers. I couldn't help it. Another person who called me was 45 years of age, and he said he was also working in a bank as a collection agent. And he said he had a lot of loan, and he earned only 15,000 rupees as a salary. And he said he attended many money workshops. And he said, even after attending all the money workshops, I'm not able to see a lot of change in me. So he was asking me if he could take my session. So I was asking him, apart from your bank job, do you have any other plans? Or do you work anywhere? Do you have any kind of part-time income? And he said no. Then I suggested him, why don't you go for some, because since you're working in a bank, why don't you become an insurance agent and sell insurance policies? You know what he said? He said, sir, I feel like selling is more like begging. So I don't like selling. Okay, so I didn't force him. But I asked him, okay, what are other plans you have got then? Apart from this, what are other plans you have got? Then he said, I think I can try in stock market. So I asked him, like, to invest in stock market, you require money. So where do you get the money from? He said, I will go for a loan. I asked him, you already said that you have a lot of loan on you, and again do you want to go for a loan? It's a risk. A third person called me. He was 60 plus and he was working as a HOD in a college. Just because of this corona, he was kicked off. He was laid off. And he said, I don't have a game plan in my life and I want to join a program so that you can transform me. I said, fine, I'm ready to guide you, I'm ready to coach you. Then I asked him about his family. Then he said he has got a daughter and who is studying in a college. Then I asked him, what is the source of income? He said, only the savings whichever I got, with that I'm pulling on. I was shocked. He's already paying for his daughter's college. And no source of income. On an average, a human being lives up to 80 years, an approximate of 80 years. So this particular person has got no source of income, and for another 20 years, he's just relying on the savings what he has got. If at all you want to have at least a normal life, okay? Because when you reach the age of 60, there will be some other expenses like medical expenses, other expenses. Approximately, I'll just say 50,000 rupees per month you require. So 50,000 rupees per month for 12 months, it will come to 6 lakhs. And for 20 years, you calculate. So this much of money should be in your savings. And I don't think anybody will be having that kind of money. If at all you want to have, other way of calculation, which I always keep saying, the other way of calculation is, if you're 40, okay, and if you want to have this kind of money, you need to save a minimum of 50,000 rupees from right now onwards. 50,000 rupees every single month. Till you reach the age of 60, you need to save a minimum of 50,000 rupees. How many people have a savings of 50,000 rupees every single month? So what is your game plan? And when I was suggesting him, how about insurance? He said, I never tried, but my only question is there a guarantee that I will succeed? I was just laughing at him. The people don't believe in themselves and they are looking for a guarantee from me. See, this is a sad part. We are all spoiled by the society, by a simple lie. More degrees can make us successful or make us rich. This is a beautiful saying. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Self-education. So what I want to insist here is, if at all you want to grow to the next level in your life, you need to learn. The first qualification which I always look for people is willing to learn. Forget about your past, wherever you were. Are you willing to learn? In fact, there are so many people who attended my program and who have seen a lot of changes in their life. They have seen a lot of success after taking my program. So the missing part is willing to learn. Just spell learn. L-E-A-R-N. L-E-A-R-N. Now take the L. What do you get? Earn. So you cannot earn without learning. But people, I don't know, they just forget this and just wish and hope that something will happen to them. Something will happen, some magic will happen. In fact, when I left my government job in 2004, and before that itself I was learning a lot. And after that, when I stepped out, I joined a Singapore company. There I had to learn a lot because it's a completely new industry for me, completely into marketing. I started learning a lot on that. And even today, even till date, I learn. I'm daily upgrading my knowledge. And that is the secret of my success. Second one, pay the price. Nothing comes free. In fact, Yesterday I got a call from a person, and the person said, "Sir, I'm into sales. Can you get me some tips on sales?" I said, "I already have some lot of videos on sales. Why don't you watch my YouTube?" In fact, I watched all my YouTube videos, but I want some more. I said, "You have to go for the session then." No, no, I don't have money and I don't have time. So can you give me some free tips? I don't know what to say. If you really want to succeed in your life, be willing to pay the price. I'm not talking about my program. Even if you buy a book, you need to pay the price. For everything in your life, you have to pay the price. How much ever you invest, you'll take it back. It's a beautiful saying. What you sow is what you reap. So without sowing, you cannot reap. And this is where people are wishing and hoping something will happen, something will change. And that's the reason many people follow people like some Babajis and Gurujis, and they are into some kind of practices, okay, thinking that without doing anything, I'll get a lot of money, I'll become prosperous, which never happens. I remember this one guy who was working in a fish stall, cleaning the fish. His job is to clean the fish. And when he approached me, when he took my session, his wife was pregnant, and within 3 months, the due date was there. Within 3 months. Just imagine a person working as a fish cleaner. What will be his earnings? And another 3 months to go, he has to pay for the delivery. He can't stop that. But in spite of all that, he took my session. And the beauty thing is, after my session, the first thing what he said was, he said the delivery was normal, so he need not to pay much of money for the delivery. First thing. Second, same guy started to earn from the same fish stall more than 60,000 rupees per month. The thing is, he was willing to pay the price. He didn't come crying to me and saying, "Okay, my wife is pregnant, and can you adjust this, or this is the money which I pay." Never. Or he never said, "Okay, let it all over, let the delivery get over, then let me take the decision," because he understood the importance of timing. I always keep saying, in fact, my previous video I said about faith. You remember the parachute? Okay, you have to jump with the parachute. One more thing which I want to add here is, faith is a law. It's a law. And it's like law of gravity. It's a law. So it works always, positive or negative. If you're really serious to make a difference in your life, as I keep saying, excellence is a choice. Choice is yours. You want to make a difference in your life, you want to excel in your life, only those serious people call me, and I'll be there to help you, guide you, because as I keep saying, this particular program is completely different which I do, and I've been transforming lives all around the world.